Urdu course lesson 1. In this lesson, we will learn use of I and am in Urdu language with examples. Let's have a start. I is मैं in Urdu language. मैं, N is silent. मैं and am is हूँ. हूँ. Do not say हूँ but हूँ. I am, मैं हूँ. Let's see some example. I am boy. मैं लड़का हूँ. मैं I हूँ. am boy लड़का. मैं लड़का हूँ. I am girl. मैं लड़की हूँ. मैं लड़की हूँ. See more example. I am doctor. मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. In here you need to learn that we use I am in the same form for both gender, masculine and feminine. Let's see one more example. I am teacher. मैं teacher हूँ. So if you are feminine or you are masculine, no matter, you will say the same sentence. I am doctor. मैं डॉक्टर हूँ. और I am teacher. मैं टीचर हूँ. Let's see some more example. I am happy. You can put any noun or verb. I am happy. मैं खुश हूँ. In here you need to learn that in Urdu language, I, which is subject, always come first and the verb or helping verb always come at the end. So I am मैं हूँ and then put happy मैं खुश हूँ. One more example. I am angry. मैं नाराज़ हूँ. मैं नाराज़ हूँ. Let's see some more example. I am, in here you can put your name. I am Jennifer. मैं Jennifer हूँ. और I am Jam. मैं Jam हूँ. No matter you are a boy or girl, you will use the same sentence. I am Jennifer. मैं Jennifer हूँ. Let's see one another example. I am Pakistani. By saying I am, you can tell your nationality. I am Pakistani. मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ. I am American. मैं American हूँ. This is end of the lesson. Subscribe us if you are new to our channel for our next lesson. You are watching Urdu Academy Jakarta. Have a nice day. See you in the next lesson.